Hi, I'm Abe and welcome back to our Academia GT Chatter segment. As I mentioned earlier, our topic today is about the Bernoulli principle. So, Bernoulli is basically a fluid principle where when the speed of fluid increases, the pressure decreases. But I won't be explaining all of them today since we have our special guest today, national baseball player Miss Ezlyn, and also our Malaysian Airlines head pilot, head pilot, Miss Nurinatasya. Welcome.
Hi, Abe.
Hi, Abe.
Miss Ezlyn, so I heard that you have a degree in physics and said in your interview with Harvard magazines that Bernoulli principle actually helped you with your basketball career. Mind to explain that?
Yes, sure. Thanks, Abe. As a baseball player, there's the Bernoulli principle involved in baseball's game, which is the Bernoulli principle says the faster air on the bottom of the ball makes for lower the pressure on the bottom, causing the ball to move down. And the properties of the air in which the ball is thrown make a big difference on how a curved ball is going to curve.
I see. That's cool. How about our Miss Head Pilot over here? So, can you explain a bit how the Bernoulli principle relates to your career as a pilot?
Thank you, Abe. So another application of Bernoulli's principle is the wing of an airplane. It helps explain that an aircraft can achieve lift because of the shape of its wings. The shape of the wing causes air to travel for a longer period on top of the wing, causing air to travel faster, reducing the air pressure and creating lift. As compared to the distance travel, the airspeed and the air pressure experienced beneath the wings. They are shaped so that airflow faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath. The high air pressure underneath the wings will therefore push the aircraft up through the lower air pressure.
Wow, another cool explanation we have here, guys. Fun fact, Bernoulli principle is also being used or applied in the blood flow mechanisms and also in Torricelli's principle. So, do any of our guests want to share with our viewers?
So, as an athlete, let me talk about the blood flow of Bernoulli principle. Alright, blood flow Bernoulli principle actually helps in explaining blood in the artery. The artery may get constricted due to the accumulation of plaque on its inner wall. In order to drive the blood through this constriction, a greater demand is placed on the activity of the heart. The speed of the flow of the blood in this region is raised, which lowers the pressure inside, and the artery may collapse due to the external pressure. The heart exerts further pressure to open this artery and force the blood through. As the blood rushes through the opening, the internal pressure once again drops due to the same reasons, leading to a repeat collapse. This may result in heart attack.
Alright, since Ms. Ezlyn already explained about the blood flow mechanism relation to Bernoulli principle, I will touch on Torricelli's law. Torricelli's law is theorem about the relation between the exit velocity of a fluid from a hole in a reservoir to the height of fluid above the hole. A simple experiment to test Torricelli's law involved filling a bottle with water and puncturing the bottom with a small hole about 1 centimeter in diameter. As the height in the reservoir decreases, the exit velocity will decrease as well. The exit velocity can be increased by capping the top of the reservoir and pressurizing it.
I see. What a very clear and also vivid explanation of this topic by our guest today. I must say that. Thank you, Miss Ezlyn and also Miss Nuri. Unfortunately, we have reached the end of our show today, and I hope everyone can now understand the Bernoulli's principle. See you guys soon. Bye. Abe signing out.
Bye bye!
Bye bye.